Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create targeted prompts in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we need to go to setup by clicking on this icon. We click on setup and from there we need just to go to the quick find and search for the in-app guidance. So just type the in dash app guidance and from here we can find our prompts. So as you can see, we don't have any prompts yet or any walkthrough yet, and we need just to click on add. So from here, I'm just going to click on add, and as you can see, we can start building our prompts. So here in the guidance on this page. So in this page, we can create a prompt. So we can go for a walkthrough and click on next. And basically, we want to give the titles and the steps. So for example, also the snooze 4. And basically here we will find the prompt text. So now we need just to go to the prompt location, either this page, and you can find also the location or the position. So for example, in the top center here, and after that we click on finish. Of course, the prompt would finish. So here you choose just the general layout for your prompt, and then I'm just going to next. And from here you can start adding the context or the content. So from here I will just tutorial or whatever you like. That would be the first step or just the title. And here is the body, which is the prompt text. So I'm step one, and then you can upload images, etc. And this is the dismiss button, which is cancel, etc. Here I'm just going to add a step. So here we will do the same thing. You choose the targeted prompt or the position. So I'm just going to next and the same thing. And here I'm just going to type second step, etc. After you finish, you will need just to click on done. And basically, let's just click on cancel. Let's just save. And here you will need just to give the action link label. And of course, you give it an action link URL. You schedule it. And here are the targets, which are your profiles, which group of profiles, and of course, the permissions that you are going to give them, etc. So this is the schedule. We go next, and this is all the profile. If you want for specific profile, for example, external users, and basically you will need just to add them here. I'm going to click on next, and here if you want to add some restrictions, I'm going just to no, and some details if you would like. Then you click on save, and you will need just to click on done, and now you have created your prompt. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.